Good day guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog guys, is it okay to help stray animals? Or is it okay to help stray cats? Like what I did? So before anything else guys, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell down there so that once we have new videos, you will be updated. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Is it okay to help stray animals or stray cat like what I did? Guys, it's probably okay. It's depend to you. It's depend upon the situation, and it's depend upon from your heart. Guys, if I have time, I always feed the cat without any expectation. I always give them foods or water without any reason and any expectation that I receive anything. So yun naman talaga guys kapag ka maawain ka at mapagmahal ka sa mga animals, mahilig ka talagang tumulong pag nakita mo sila. Kahit konti lang yung maibigay mo sa kanila, masaya ka na, di ba? So naniniwala din kasi ako guys dun sa kasabihan, those who are happiest are those people who do the most for others. Parang ganon, diba? Kung sino yung mga masasaya talaga, yung totoong masasayang tao, ayun yung mga totoong taong tumutulong without any expectation, without any what we call this, yung ina-expect nila na in return. So wala yun. Kasi guys, ang reward ng ng pagtulong sa kapwa, increase self-esteem, tapos connection, tapos well-being. Alam mo guys, na-increase din yung mental health mo, yung physical mo, at yung pagkatao mo. Tapos syempre kapag ka mahilig ka tumulong, talagang maraming madidevelop sa pagkatao mo. So for me, it's okay to help stray cats. It's okay to help others, especially those in need, kapag kaya mo. Sakit, diba cat? So for me guys, it's okay to help others, especially those in needs, kapag kaya mo. Kapag alam ko lahat naman tayo kaya natin tumulong. Ang pagtulong kasi guys ay iba't ibang form yan, iba't ibang paraan. Hindi porke mahirap ka, hindi porke mayaman ka, hindi porket wala ka, hindi ka na pwedeng tumulong. So ginagawa ko lang example yung pagtulong ko sa mga stray cats dito, feeding them, giving them drinks, ganun, playing with them. Ginagawa ko lang sample, but in general we can help each other to boost your physical health, mental health, to boost connection mo sa mga tao, to boost your self-esteem, at boost your spiritual life. Marami guys, maraming benefits sa atin yung pagtulong. So for me guys, helping each others, at least part of our obligation para makapag-contribute tayo sa bilang creation ng Diyos. At ang pagtulong sa kapwa, especially sa mga nangangailangan, ay contribute natin yan sa ating buhay. So mahirap ipaliwanag, it's very hard to explain what is the importance of helping each other. Is it okay to help those who are needs? So it's very hard, it's very deep. So iwanan natin siya rito, wag natin siyang disturbuhin. So hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Basta sa akin, is it okay to help each others, especially those in need? Is it okay to help those stray cats in the park or stray animals in the park? For me guys, it's okay. So till next time guys, maraming salamat. Please don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Have a good day ahead. God bless and be safe.